Ciao a tutti! Welcome to Daily Italian with Elena. We're here with our assistant, Patata, and today we're going to look at the alphabet. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. In Italian, we do not use the following letters, but we have a different pronunciation for them, so you might want to learn how to say them as well. J, K, W, X, Y. Let's repeat them one more time faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. And also J, K, W, X, Y. Now practice once again by yourself and watch this video again to see if you got all the pronunciations correct. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao!